Yes, my people, look at these goose over here. There's a lot of them, so you guys can take a closer look at them. We have like so many over this side. Yeah man, nice eating bird them, you know. We call these bird the Canada bird. So them start to fly, the people, look at them. We have over 100 of them here. See them there? Yeah man, so many of them. They make a lot of noise in the background. Yeah, these birds they can catch trouble if you try to catch them or harm them. Yeah man, see them the people, look upon them, there's a lot of them flying over there. See them there? See more of them the people. Yeah man, there's a lot of them over here man. Yes man, see them the peeps. We call these birds goose. Yeah man. Large bird them peeps, see them there? We call them goose. You know? See them start fly the people. One of these birds weigh like 20 pounds. Yeah man, all of them gone people, so we'll catch you guys in our next video. So peace and love. That's a little thing me I show no peeps. So see it there? Yeah man. See them a come back over this side. Yeah man. Yeah man, so catch you guys in our next video. One love.